it's Joe. Let me ask you something. Are you an engaged couple looking to get married at the lodge at Torrey Pines, and you're out there doing some research, trying to find out what it's like to have a wedding here? You're trying to get some inspiration into the design, the flow, and all of that? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you a fun wedding that I DJ'd for Sydney and Colin at the lodge. And I'll be walking you behind the scenes from a DJ perspective, sharing with you the setup and what it's like to have a wedding here. I'll be talking about the flow. You'll get to see some dance clips, and you can get a good feel of the different parts of the venue and where you can have your wedding. And you'll have a better sense of what it's like to have a wedding, from the ceremony to the cocktail and to the reception. So if this sounds like you and you want to get a better feel of what it's like to have a wedding here, or you just want to see how I do things as a wedding DJ, then stay tuned in this video. In the next few moments, you're about to see me walking you through the venue space and sharing with you more detail and insight from a DJ perspective. By the way, if you're new to the channel and don't know me, I'm Joe, DJ MOJOE, a professional DJ down here in Southern California, specializing in weddings, and I'm all about good music, good vibes, and good energy. And I'm excited to share with you my experience to help you out so you can make the best decisions going forward on your wedding day. So with that, I'm excited. This is Sydney and Colin's wedding at the Lodge at Torrey Pines back in April 27, 2024. Let's dive in. And here I am inside the Charles Reiffel Room at the Lodge at Torrey Pines. Where I'm standing right now is going to be the main area where we're going to invite guests over to continue the night and dance the night away. So we have to move people from the Arroyo Terrace at a certain time because of noise ordinance, and then we're going to continue inside here. We have this white dance floor. The DJ is on the stage. That's where I'm going to be, and we have a nice patio deck outside. We have another room where there's going to be some late night snacks and some drinks. The lounge furniture is so great for those people who don't want to dance, but they can just simply relax and just hang out. So we have this sofa right next to the dance floor, and I think that's a great addition. So people can hang out. Imagine the DJ plays one of their favorite songs. They can easily just stand up and dance right on the dance floor. Perfect setup right here. We have some great flowers, and I want to show you outside as well. And I'll show you my setup in a bit, but I'm going to show you what we have going on out here. Out on the terrace is where we're going to have the cocktail hour. We have Eliana Strings, who'll be playing music out here during the cocktail hour while we do the flip during the cocktail hour. Back at the ceremony site, we're going to transform the ceremony site into the dinner reception. But check this out. We have a bar in the corner just right outside these doors, and then it looks like there's going to be some heaters in case it gets cold. We are setting up this white backdrop over there. Amazing design. So good views all around here at the lodge at Torrey Pines. We're gonna have Eliana Strings playing some music and just setting the right vibe. And now taking you back to my DJ setup right here. I'm up on the stage. I'm using my Bass Boss speakers right over there, the Bass Boss BB15, which are the subs, and then the DV12s Mark III, which are the tops that you see up there, and they sound amazing. We were doing a sound test, and it fills the room so good with the deep low end of sound. And then we also have my party pillars, which are the two white columns right there. I have an uplight underneath, so late at night, they're going to react to my music, and I have the moving heads on top as well, which is really nice. I have a stage with my booth. I use the ramp to bring my DJ booth up, and it's hard to see from this angle, but I actually have a picture of the couple displayed on the screen, and I got that from their wedding website. I placed it on there, and it adds a nice personalized touch. What's really great about this stage is that I could invite dancers on the stage. I could invite the couple on the stage and really getting them to hype up the guests. I could feel it out, but it's just the elevated presence of the DJ. It really helps out with the attention and the command of the music for the crowd. So it's really great. This is the main focal point. And then I also have the uplights. I have uplights all around this room. So when it gets dark later, I'm going to turn them on with my sound switch lighting software that will react to the music. So super excited that for later. But right now we have everything ready to go. this room is safe and secure. So check this out, we're here at the Arroyo Terrace. The lodge at Torrey Pines have their signature raspberry basil lemonade. Let's give it a try.
So I've actually...
All right, let's try it out. It's really good, really good. Thank you, the lodge. Taking you behind the scenes, before the ceremony starts, we wanna make sure that the officiant is all mic'd up. We have the AV person, Joe, helping out our officiant, Kim. We have a wireless microphone on a mic stand, so that way she's hands-free. But this is the view that you get when you get married here at the lodge. Check this out. And also check out the dance floor too as well. The dance floor is branded with C&C and with the date. So we have the branded letters on the dance floor, branded letters by the bar out there, and also on the napkins. Amazing. And then in terms of the audio setup, the venue already provided the speakers. They're running a speaker on the left side and on the right side facing the ceremony right here. And it sounds great. We did a sound check. It sounds really good on the microphone, nice and clear.
My honor to declare you married. Colin, we make us your bride.
Okay, everyone, check this out. Right behind me, we just did a flip from the ceremony into the dinner reception here at the Arroyo Terrace at the lodge at Torrey Pines. It took us about an hour to set this up. The sunset is happening right now. We're all taking some pictures for social media and for marketing, and just really taking some great pictures of this setup. We're using the same Chiavari chairs. We have some twinkle lights. We have the white dance floor in the middle. It's just gorgeous right now. Shout out to Veronica for the amazing design and setup.
Hi everybody, we're at the lodge at Torrey Pines today with Crown Weddings, Veronica Carr here, and we created an absolutely stunning, beautiful setup for Sydney and Colin's wedding today. Check it out.
And we're almost wrapped up here. So we're gonna have the dinner reception here, the grand entrance, the first dance, the parent dances, speeches. And once we're all done here, we're gonna move everybody up into the main ballroom where we're gonna continue the night and dance. So such a great setup. Check these out. These are the Cold Spark. We have 4 of them. The lighting guy provided them for us. They're all battery powered, and we use the uplight covers to cover them, as you can see right here.
Everybody, please join me in welcoming the newlyweds here tonight. Grab those napkins, twirl it up high, and join me in welcoming the new Mr. and Mrs. Cross. Keep
Hey, it's Joe. I just want to step in here really quick. Wasn't that beautiful? We had a ceremony at the Arroyo Terrace, and it was just immaculate. Great vibes all around for the ceremony. Afterwards, we invited people over to the cocktail hour area, and we flipped that ceremony into the dinner space. We had the twinkling lights, the sunset was going down, we had our grand entrance, and it was just beautiful. It was almost like watching a movie. It was amazing. So we flipped that ceremony into the dinner space, and then we had a curfew at 10, which we brought people inside the Charles Fries and the Charles Reiffel Room to continue the party and celebration. We transformed the inside into a nice party room with uplights, lounge furniture, a champagne tower. In the smaller room, we had some late night snacks, a bar, and so people can dance, people can lounge, people can eat, and it's just a really great hangout spot. It was great to have guests move from one location to the next, and it's all enhancing the experience as the night goes by. We want you here, we want you there, and wow, it's like a new thing, one after the other. So it's amazing. Well, in the next few clips, you get to hear the type of music that I played, and you get to see the vibe, the lights, and the energy and the love for Sydney and Colin. So with that said, let's continue with the video.
And now one more time, give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Cross.
It's Joe back in the studio. How was that wedding? Did you enjoy that? Did you get some inspiration? Did you get some ideas for your wedding? It was a great time for Sydney and Colin. The vibes were on point. People were dancing. People were singing. They even extended me for another 30 minutes. And even at the end of the night, I got that love from the couple saying, hey, one more song. And it was a blast for the couple. So fun fact, they met at an RL Grime concert and I topped it off with an RL Grime song. People enjoy the night and it was an absolute blast. What was important for me is to make sure people feel good at the very end of the night. We make our first impression, but we also want to make our last impression. And Sydney and Colin had an amazing time with their friends and family. So that was the wedding for Sydney and Colin at the lodge at Torrey Pines. As you may already know or don't know, every wedding is different and it really depends on your style, your personality, your taste, and it really takes a team to put it together so your vision will come to life. I highly recommend having an experienced planner. Shout out to Veronica from Type A Soiree, Crown Weddings, and all the amazing vendors. Like I mentioned earlier, they're down in the description below. It's really important to have a team who knows what they're doing and is really great at what they do and really care about their clients. So that's a huge tip that I have for you. The staff at the venue has been amazing, super helpful with everything. I'm not sure if you've seen the video, but I also have a TV in front of my DJ booth, which I displayed a picture of the couple. It really adds that personal taste. And I love the fact that I was on a stage. I could see everyone. It kind of gave me, in a way, some stage presence, some authority of like, hey, I'm in control here. I'm managing this vibe right now. And it's really that great connection between the DJ and the guests. So I had a great view of everyone. I was able to read the room correctly and just kept it a party. Well, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, if you took some value from this, I would love to hear your feedback. Put it down in the comments below. Like this video, follow me on Instagram. And if you're interested in possibly having me as your DJ, I would love to talk with you and see how I can help. There is a link down below to schedule a meeting with me to see if the right fit, answer any questions, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, once again, I'm Joe, DJ MOJOE. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Check out the weddings that I've DJ'd here in San Diego. And enjoy the rest of your night.